Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this driver error that you get while trying to mount images using Macrium Reflect. To get started, simply search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry path from there. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. Now once in the config key in the right hand side, you'll get this key. Double click on this key and change its value data from 1 to 0 and click on OK. Close the registry editor and restart your PC for the changes to take effect, and then try to mount images using Macrium Reflect software. However, if this does not fixes the issue, then proceed ahead with the following workaround. Simply search for core isolation and open it. Here you'll get an option of memory integrity. Simply turn it off. It will ask you to restart your PC. Simply restart your computer and then try to mount the image using the software. Once you are done with your work, then again search for core isolation and open it, and then turn on the memory integrity option. Finally, you can also do this. Go to your Windows settings, then go to Windows Update. Go to Update History, then scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Here, if you see the update KB5083769 installed, then simply uninstall it from here. That is causing the driver issue with the software. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped. Thank you.